Hi YouTube, this is Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, I have a delivery from Ancient Cosmetics, and this is my first impression and unboxing of the products. I have tested some of it on my hands, but we'll get to that in a minute. So let's start with this first. The first two products that I want to talk to you all about. My phone is in the charger, so I'm trying to charge my phone and record at the same time, and my charger isn't working properly. I have Even Skin Turmeric and Double Butter. Okay, and this is what's in this one, the ingredients. This is what the packaging look like. So pretty. These colors are so pretty. Okay, and I'm gonna show you what they look like on the inside. So maybe the soaps were kind of wet a little bit when I got them today because they had been in the mailbox sweating. So this what size they are. They almost the same size as the box. Okay, and it has somewhat of a Play-Doh smell. This one. So that's probably the cocoa butter and the shea butter and the olive oil. Okay. This one, the turmeric. These are the ingredients. Okay. It has the same smell like clay or something. Okay. So I'll probably have to cut these soaps before I use them so that I don't use the whole bar because I don't have a saver for them. The next products that I got from Ancient Cosmetics is Tropical Pineapple. Okay. Brown Sugar and Sugar Rush. I have smelled all three of these and they smell so good. The only one that I wished had a different smell was the Tropical Pineapple, but you have to look at the name. The name say tropical, so it's going to have that tropical smell first. Flowers, fruits, berries, holiday, vacation, and then the pineapple is second. So it's lightly scented. And the safety seal is inside of here. So you know you're going to have to get something and counter. See? You're going to have to get something to kind of push that safety seal out. And it's very, very, very lightweight. Look how liquidy. It's very, very lightweight. So I have Tropical Pineapple, Brown Sugar, and Sugar Rush, which smells like candy. Okay, now the next two body butters that I have is Blueberry and Myrrh and Even Skin. Now, Even Skin is made up of shea butter, coconut oil, turmeric oil, and lemon oil. Okay. Apply twice a day or as needed. Okay. So with these butters, you guys, I have, and this one have a safety seal on it, and it was secure. Okay, so I smell a hint of lemon in here, and then there's some product in the cap. So and we're just gonna take that product out of the cap. And some people say that their butter was hard, and this one, just trying to get it out of the cap, was hard. So, but look, I'm at a bad angle. But look, it liquefies. Okay? I'm at a bad angle. It's not greasy. I'm just rubbing it in off camera. That's all. Y'all hear my hands rubbing together. So, yeah, it's not greasy at all. You don't smell the lemon. And then the blueberry myrrh, it doesn't smell like blueberry. I don't smell any coconut oil in any of them. I don't smell blueberry and myrrh. I'm not sure what this smells like, but it do smell sweet. It smells kind of sweet, but light, very light. This one has a hint of something. I don't know what it is. And this one was one of the ones that I was more anxious to try. So I said, ooh, blueberry and myrrh, that should smell good with the berry and then frankincense, myrrh, Jesus. So now we get into the collection. These was about, if you hear a screeching sound, my daughter is washing my granddaughter's hair and the sink makes a loud screeching sound, okay? I can never get a good video. This is caramel butterscotch. And I'm just going to take them off so you can see. I have not dipped in any of them. This smells like Bath and Body Works at Christmas time. And if I try any of it, I get it out of the cap. As you can kind of see, like right there where my finger rubbed in it. Because I have recorded this video 4 times already. This one is Sugar Rush. And it smells like candy. This smell like, I don't know. It just smells good. It smells like a sweet dessert, but candy. Maybe s'mores. No. Because I smell candy too, something. But they are lightly scented, y'all. And I would not need body butter for years. If you don't use body butter every day, I would not. It says twice a day or as needed. If you don't use body butter every day, y'all, I wouldn't recommend. This one smells like desserts as well. Brown sugar. And that's exactly what it smells like. Brown sugar with I don't know, maybe cinnamon or something. But again, these fragrances, I'm going to tell you, they are not going to last on your skin all day. This is my least favorite, strawberry shortcake, because it's an artificial scent. This smells like artificial strawberry. This is my least favorite. In fact, I'm thinking about taking it to work and just leaving it in the bathroom. Or just taking it to work, using it at work. Because that's why, I wash my hands a lot at work. But it's artificial. It's an artificial strawberry scent that I don't like. And I also am thinking about contacting them and letting them know that I don't like this artificial strawberry shortcake scent. I don't. And they'll probably say something like, oh, it's lightly scented and the fragrance goes away after a while. It doesn't last long, and it doesn't. Now, here we have birthday cake. Okay? This smells like a birthday batter. This smells like what your mama used to let you lick after she put the batter in the pan. This smells exactly like birthday cake. I mean, it smells like vanilla birthday cake. That's what it smells like. Yeah. And again, I rubbed it on my skin and I smell nothing. I do smell all of the fragrances mixed together. But I haven't actually dug down into the products. Wait a minute, one of them I did. To break the cast. Yeah, I think it was this one, blueberry. And because it didn't have a real blueberry smell. It didn't. So, there you have it. Cosmic brushes, Lord. My cosmic and my ancient cosmetics. Yeah, I was a little disappointed in the pineapple. I was. Because I expected for it to have a little bit more of a pineapple scent, but it didn't. Thanks for watching. Bye. So we have this for my this portion right here is gonna be for my shorts, so I'm gonna be fast. I just received my Ancient Cosmetics haul. I have blueberry myrrh. I have even skin for hyperpigmentation. I have birthday cake. I have double butter bar soap. I have turmeric bar soap. Sugar Rush body oil. Brown sugar body oil. Tropical pineapple. Brown sugar. Strawberry shortcake. Caramel butterscotch. And birthday cake. If you want to see these hauls in depth, please go to my channel.